What up, everybody? CreekFishingCaleb. I'm here with the good old Bert and Redskin. I already see a few fish right here. See if we can catch something. Oh, first things first, I gotta see if the carp are on their beds over there. So I'm gonna get the snag rod. Oh, dang it, he's right here. Dang. They're like on the bank right now. What? Whoa, golly. Dude, holy smokes, that's a big bluegill.
Gang, gang.
Gucci gang.
One of the biggest bluegill I've ever seen.
Like, that is definitely the biggest bluegill I've seen.
Throw that boy back.
Well.
Now you gotta kiss him. Kiss him. I'm not kissing a fish, but.
Yeah, I don't know what's been here.
Jamie White. There he goes.
Yes.
Well, now we can make a video.
Yeah, it's video worthy now. All right, we're heading to the rock quarry right now. I got Brett and Mason. Like I said, I don't care if turn around. Let's go ahead and cross. Rock quarry, probably like 20-30 foot deep. So we're just gonna hike it down to the level part right there, I guess. Well, today was not really a successful day. Only person that caught anything was Mason. Caught himself a nice thick bluegill. What is up, y'all? Today it is stinking hot. 81 degrees. It's freaking warm. Finally hit the 80 mark, first time of the year. I think it's as a good time as ever to go fishing. I just now got out of school. Mason's gonna come along with me. Brett's not here this time. He's got practice. We're gonna try to rip some big ones. I hope this freaking heat pulls out them big giants. So let's see what we can do. We are here at the Mason residence.
And the boots after going in to get them.
And Mason just got his boots. We're about to head out into the good old Spring Creek. Haven't been there in a quick minute, so let's see if we can catch some good fish. Ooh, that's a good cast. That's a really good cast. See if you can catch some good fish. Oh, there's one.
Got him?
Yeah. Yeah. Fish are here! Yes! I'm so happy. Dude, I'm so happy. Oh my god, this is like crazy. Alrighty. See you, buddy. Got him. Oh, lost him. That felt like a better one. I don't know. I'm about ready to wait the creek. Alright, well, creek was not very good today. Good old Mason, he's still trying to catch some fish, but we gotta hurry before they lock the gates on us. I mean, this creek looks absolutely amazing. Just keeps on going. Them carp are out, and I just saw like a ton of bass on top of the water. I have 2 frogs with me, if you want to throw a frog. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that's gonna be a difficult one. Got him. Oh, he's a better one. He's a good one. Yeah. That's probably the best one of this pond. Ooh.
Well, Peyton, you better show up.
Alright, I'm gonna go weigh him. Well, there's the first fish. He's pretty fat, I must say. 1 pound On the dot.
Hey, punt that boy back.
Nah. All right, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Mind if I stand beside you? Really close. Thanks. Mind if I fish right here?
Yes.
Thank you.
You are very good. When is your recital? Got him!
No, don't touch me.
I want to look at the goat.
Don't touch me. Don't. Oh, frick. Mason, you made me miss him.
Suck, dude. Shut up. You came over here and stole my spot.
Hey y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this 3-day experience. It was fun doing this. There's definitely not a lot of fish catching, but you know, it happens sometimes. This is like right when we had the first warm front, like warm front. I guess they just weren't used to it, or I just suck at fishing. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you haven't, there's a little button at the bottom you can click, hit subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, like the video, leave a comment, tell me how I'm doing. Also hit that bell so you will get a little notification on your phone saying when my video pops up. And I hope y'all have a great day and see you in the next video.